sir.
I will start with new topic, that is removing unit production. So up till now we have covered two topics: remove useless production and symbol and symbol. Second topic is what remove epsilon production. Now the third topic is remove unit production. So what is unit production first of all, and how to remove it? So if any production is in the form A gives capital A gives capital B, means if you find any production which is in the form capital A gives capital B, then this production is called as unit production. Okay, suppose example, if you find S gives capital A and capital A gives A, so which is the unit production? This one. Okay, and we have to remove it. So any production which is in the form capital A gives capital B, where capital A and capital B are non-terminal, then it is called as unit production. Now how to remove it? We have to remove right hand side by its production. If you want to remove unit production, then we have to remove, sorry, we have to substitute right hand side by its production. It means that here in this example capital S gives capital A. So what we will do, we will replace capital A by its production. तो क्या हो जाएगा? S gives capital small a. Okay, so this is how unit production is working. So on right hand side you have to replace by its production. So before starting unit production, first of all you have to check whether there is any useless symbol and useless production. Then you have to remove epsilon production. Then we will start removing unit production. You cannot directly remove unit production. First of all you have to check useless symbol, useless production. Then you have to check epsilon production, and then we'll start removing unit production. Okay, so I will start with example so that you can understand easily. The question is eliminate, remove. The question is remove unit production from the following. From the following grammar. So grammar is S gives A S oblique capital A oblique small c. A gives small a, B gives A, and C gives A, C, B. Now from this grammar we have to remove unit production. So first of all, before starting uh, removing unit production, we have to check whether there is any useless symbol. So do you find any useless symbol here?
Sir, B.
B. And any other useless symbol? It is
C.
it is small c. Any other useless symbol?
Sir, capital C.
V and capital C. Can you tell me the reason why they are useless?
Sir, can't be reached to end step.
We cannot reach to capital B. We cannot reach to capital C, right? Okay. So these are useless, and they are deriving terminal symbol, but we cannot reach to B and C. So modified grammar becomes, you can write here B and C are useless. Hence, grammar become it will be S gives A capital S gives A, S gives small c, A gives A. Now, which is the unit production here? Which is the unit production? कौन सा unit production है यहाँ पे? Yes. Unit production is in the form capital A gives capital B. ये फॉर्म में रहता है यूनिट प्रोडक्शन. सो विच इज द यूनिट प्रोडक्शन हियर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? यस. Do you find any production which is in the form A gives capital A give capital B? Any answer?
Sir, S gives capital A.
S gives capital A. So this is the unit production. Now what is the solution then? Replace A by its production. So you can write S gives capital A is unit production. Hence the grammar become S gives AS, replace A by its production and capital C. Okay, so that's it. What we did, we have replaced A by its production. And don't write A gives A, because we have already removed capital A. Capital A को replace कर दिया हमने ऐसे, so there is no need of capital A. Understood? समझ में आया? नहीं? Yes. Any question? 1 minute. So any question? Okay, so I will move to next problem. The question is remove all unit production from the following grammar. So it is S gives B gives capital A oblique BB and A gives A BC B. Now, first of all, identify whether there is any useless symbol. Do you think that there is any useless symbol? See, B is deriving terminal symbol, A is also deriving terminal symbol, B gives small bb, A gives small a, small bc. So they are deriving terminal and you can reach to capital A and capital B, right? So there is no useless symbol. Now, what are the unit production here? Can you identify? What are the unit productions here? कौन कौन सी यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है यहाँ पे?
Sir, B gives A.
B gives A only. There are 3 unit production. As
S
capital
gives
S
B.
gives capital B gives A gives B. Okay. So in all 3 production there are unit symbols. So we will go step by step. So uh, In first step, S gives A capital B, B gives capital A, BB, and A gives small a, BC, and replace B by its production. So what are the production of B? Capital A और कौन सा है? BB. Have you understood this step? Have you understood this step? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there is one. So you cannot write A gives capital A. Do not write A gives capital A. It is repetition. So replace B by its production. So what I will do? Replace B by its production. So B के production है capital A. So A give capital A, that is not valid. So A gives BC B. So have you understood this step? ये स्टेप समझ में आई आपको? A gives क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? Capital B is replaced by its production. So B gives A and B. So A gives A, it is not valid. So B gives B. Now in second step, we will replace A by its production. So S gives capital A B. B gives A by its production. तो A oblique BC oblique, दो बार BB नहीं लिखना है आपको. Okay. And then BB and then A oblique BC oblique BB. Now can you tell me what you will do in third step? थर्ड स्टेप में क्या करोगे आप? Yes. What you will do in third step?
Sir, S gives AA or small a or small BC or BB.
Okay, replace B by its production. तो B को replace करना है उसके production से. So it is A gives A BC BB and then B gives A BC BB and A gives A BB. तो ये हो गया का आंसर. So this is your answer. Should I move to next question? Yes. Okay.
So,
Yes.
from the third step, we can't reach to B. So we have to remove it or we have to keep it.
Yes. That can be modified further. So if you want to enhance, you can write modified grammar as you are correct. A gives A, B, C, B, B. B is not reachable. A gives B, C, B, B. It is okay. Okay. So B is not reachable here. यहाँ पे देख लो in third step B is not reachable. So we can remove B and the modified grammar becomes it will contain two productions. Should I move next?
So wait.
Okay. I will take two more problems and then I will start with next topic. Done?
Yes, sir.
Again, next question. Remove the unit production from the following grammar. So grammar is as gives A capital S, capital A or capital C. Capital A gives small a, B gives A or capital C gives ACB. Now before starting removing unit production, first of all identify the useless symbol. So do you think that there is useless symbol? This is capital C. Is there any useless symbol?
Yes, sir. B.
Which one?
B.
B. B is useless. And what about C? Capital C is useless. What do you think?
No, sir.
No, it is not useless because you can reach to C and C is deriving terminal symbol. So it is okay. So first step AS oblique A oblique C. Before this you can write B is useless. So it will become S gives small a capital S, capital A capital C, A gives A and C gives A C B. Now what is the next step? Tell me next step. क्या करोगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में? Identify the unit production. Identify it.
Sir, S gives capital A or capital C.
S gives capital A and capital C are unit production. So replace by its production. So you can write here S gives capital A and S gives capital C are unit production. Hence remove it. S gives A S capital A by A and small capital C is replaced by its production. So the grammar become this one. Okay. So this is your final grammar. Any doubt? कोई डाउट है? नहीं. Okay, should I take next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same question. Remove unit production from the following grammar. S gives capital A B A B. A gives epsilon. B gives oblique epsilon. So can you tell me the grammar now? So what is the first step? First step is identify the useless symbol. कोई useless symbol है क्या? Do you think that there is useless symbol?
No, sir.
No. But there is epsilon production. So we have to remove epsilon production first. So whenever there is question of eliminate unit production, it means that first of all you have to remove useless symbol. Then if there is epsilon, remove epsilon. Epsilon भी remove करना है और फिर start करना है problem. ठीक है? So what we can do? Sorry, it is A. So S A B. then I will replace a by epsilon तो होगा ab, then I will replace b by epsilon तो होगा a, and then I will replace a and b by epsilon, so it will be a. Okay, then a gives a only, then b gives bb a and bb. Have you understood this step? ये स्टेप समझ में आई आपको? How to remove epsilon? So whenever you find capital A, replace by its epsilon. उसको epsilon से replace करनी है. So B gives BBA and B gives BB because capital A is replaced by epsilon. Now again check whether there is unit production, useless production है कोई? And one more thing, it is AAB and AA. So do you find any unit production here? कोई यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है ये ग्रामर में? Yes.
No, sir.
Any unit production in this grammar? What do you think? The unit production is always in the form capital A give capital B. तो ऐसा कोई production है क्या? नहीं है. There is no production. If you look here, so this is your final grammar. That's it. Okay. So it is not always necessary that you will find unit production. Since there is no unit production, this is your final grammar. Okay. Any doubt? कोई doubt है? So all of you understood removing unit production? Because next topic is the advanced step of this removing useless production, epsilon production and useless symbol. No doubt? Okay. So next topic is Chomsky normal form. Chomsky normal form. So it is also called as CNF. CNF means Chomsky normal form. So you in database you might have studied normal form. Normal form means to remove the redundancy and duplicate data. It is called as normal form. Normalized data means normalized data क्या रहता है? If you remove the redundancy and duplicate data from the grammar, it is normalized data. In the same way, there is Chomsky normal form. You can normalize or you can remove redundancy from the grammar. That is called as normal form. And there is scientist called Chomsky who has proposed a normal form for the grammar. Though hence the name is given as Chomsky normal form. So a grammar is in CNF if it is in the form A gives BC or A. Okay, a grammar is in CNF if it is in the form A gives BC or B. यानी अगर grammar if right hand side contain two non-terminal or one terminal, then it is in Chomsky normal form. So how to convert Chomsky normal form? How to convert the given grammar into Chomsky normal form? First of all, remove useless symbol. क्या करना है आपको? Remove useless symbol. Second क्या करना है? Remove epsilon production. Okay. Third, remove unit production. ओके, देन इसके बाद जो ग्रामर होगा उसको कन्वर्ट करना है चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में. कन्वर्ट ग्रामर इनटू CNF. ओके, डायरेक्टली नहीं करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कन्वर्ट, रिमूव यूजलेस सिंबल, फिर यूजलेस प्रोडक्शन, रिमूव यूजलेस एप्सिलॉन प्रोडक्शन, रिमूव यूनिट प्रोडक्शन, और उसके बाद जो ग्रामर बचेगा उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में. ओके, तो क्या फॉर्म है चॉम्स्की? ए यूज कैपिटल BC और ए यूज कैपिटल बी, यानी राइट हैंड साइड में आइदर राइट हैंड साइड कंटेन टू नॉन टर्मिनल और वन टर्मिनल, इट इज कॉल्ड ए चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म. ओके, so let us take one simple example of Chomsky normal form. The question is, convert given grammar into CNF. Okay, as gives ABA and A gives AAB and B gives AC. So analyze it. First of all, identify the useless symbol. This is small c. ये small c है. It is not capital C. First of all, analyze useless symbol. कोई useless symbol है क्या? Yes. Do you find any useless symbol?
No, sir.
What do you know? Any epsilon production? No. Any unit production? No. Nothing. Okay. तो हमको क्या करना है अभी? We have to convert the grammar into this form as gives AB or A. या तो right hand side either contain two non-terminal or one terminal. So if you look here, which production is in this form? कोई first one as gives capital ABA. So is it in Chomsky normal form? ये Chomsky normal form में है? Yes. Is it in Chomsky normal form? No. Because you will find there are two non-terminal, one terminal. Second देखते हैं capital A gives AAB. तो is it in Chomsky normal form? No. तीनों non-terminals है. We use capital A small c, so it is also not in Chomsky normal form. So we will convert it. So how to do it? First step, we will write as gives A, B, A. And what is A? Sorry. A, B, C, A. And what is C, A? C, A give A. Okay. Understood? This step? ये step समझ में आई? Why it is written CA? Because we should have at most two non-terminal, at most not exactly two non-terminal or exactly one terminal on right hand side. Okay, so we are converting it. Then can you tell me what should I write here? A gives, यहाँ क्या लिखोगे आप? क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे? What CA is giving? CA is giving A, so I will write here CA, and I will write here CB. So what is CB? CB gives B. Okay. Then V gives a capital C. And what is CC? It is giving C. Now again analyze this grammar and is it in Chomsky normal form? फर्स्ट स्टेप में देखिए ये चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में है क्या? फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन इज इट इन एसक्यूज एबीसी है, इज इट इन चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म? यस, चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में है क्या? यस और नो? कितने नॉन टर्मिनल है? हाउ मेनी टर्मिनल्स आर देयर ऑन राइट हैंड साइड?
3.
1 2 3 3. So is it in Chomsky normal form?
No.
It is not in Chomsky normal form. So let us convert into Chomsky normal form. So what I will do, I will do A and D1. And what is D1? D1 gives B C A. तो ये चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में हो गया देखो. Then A gives CA CB. So I will write CA first and D2. और D2 क्या है? D2 gives CA CB. Then CB gives B. It is in Chomsky normal form. Right hand side में एक ही टर्मिनल है. Then B gives A CC and CC gives C. फिर से देखिए इज इट इन चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म? इज इट इन चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म? इन सेकंड स्टेप फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन देखो A gives AD1. इज इट इन चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म? यस नो? टेल मी ओनली यस नो. S gives AD1. Is it in Chomsky normal form? Fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one, D gives BCA. It is in Chomsky normal form? Yes. A gives CAD2. It is in Chomsky normal form? है या नहीं? हेलो. D2
Yes,
CA.
sir.
Yes. CB gives B.
Yes,
It
sir.
is in Chomsky normal form. B gives ACC. ये भी Chomsky normal form है. CC gives C. It is in Chomsky normal form. So this is your final answer. Okay. Uh, So we have to repeat this procedure until right hand side contain exactly 2 non-terminal or right hand side contain exactly 1 terminal. Right hand side में exactly 2 non-terminal रहने चाहिए या 1 terminal symbol रहना चाहिए. ठीक है? Okay. So should I take next problem? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again same question. Convert the given grammar into Chomsky normal form. So the grammar is S gives A B, A gives capital B, A gives AAB, epsilon, B gives BBA. So first step. For S gives AB, is it in Chomsky normal form? Tell me fast. जल्दी जल्दी बताओ. Yes, no. Chomsky normal form में है या नहीं? Right hand side में at most 2 non terminal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So then S gives small a B. So it is not in Chomsky normal form. So I will write CA B. And what is CA? CA gives A. तो चॉम्स्की नॉर्मल फॉर्म में हो गया. ठीक है. देन A gives, I will replace, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी CA है, so I will replace CA and CB. So can you tell me what is my mistake here? क्या mistake है?
Sir, first we have to remove
We
the
have
epsilon.
considered epsilon
Yes.
production.
First of all, remove epsilon production. First of all, you have to check unit production, useless production, epsilon production है तो remove करो. Okay, and then start solving the problem. So first of all, I will remove epsilon production. A S gives, I will write AB or B, ठीक है, and AB. Then A gives AAB, B gives BBA oblique BB. अब फिर चेक करना है, एप्सिलॉन तो चला गया, यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है क्या? यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है या नहीं? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
S gives B.
S gives B is unit production, so answer is we will replace B by its production. Okay, so S gives B is unit production. So we will replace B by its production. So S gives A B, B को replace करते हैं उसके production से, so BBA and BB और AB. A को replace करते हैं AB, B को replace करेंगे BBA और BB. अब कोई यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है? डू यू फाइंड एनी यूनिट प्रोडक्शन हियर? नो. इप्सिलॉन भी नहीं है, यूजलेस भी नहीं है. So then I will start converting into Chomsky normal form. तो फर्स्ट देखते हैं S gives AB, ये Chomsky normal form में है. Then BBA Chomsky normal form में नहीं है. Chomsky normal form ऐसे रहता है S gives AB और A. So we have to convert it. So it is not in Chomsky normal form, so I will write CB A. ये इसको लिखता हूँ मैं CB और यहाँ लिखता हूँ CAB. तो CB क्या है? CB gives B, CA gives A, ठीक है. Then A gives CA CB. अब ऑलरेडी लिखा है हमने CA gives A, CB gives B, तो फिर से लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Then write down your CB कैपिटल A, CB. अब इसको देखो कौन कौन सा ग्रामर, which grammar is in Chomsky normal form, which are not in Chomsky normal form. बताओ जल्दी, we don't have time. First, S gives AB, is it in Chomsky normal form?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes, okay. Then CB, I will write D1. So what is D1? D1 gives CBA, ठीक है. उसके बाद है CB, ठीक है. एंड लास्ट ग्रामर है CAB, ठीक है. देन AB give B, A give A, A gives क्या है? CA CB. So I will write CA D2 और D2 क्या दे रहा है? CA TB, ठीक है. एंड B gives CB D1. हमने ऑलरेडी लिखा है व्हाट इज D1. D1 इज CBA and or CB. So this is your final grammar. देख लो, राइट हैंड साइड कंटेन आइदर 2 टर्मिनल, नॉन टर्मिनल और 1 टर्मिनल. राइट हैंड side contain 2 non-terminal or 1 terminal. So look, so that's it for today's session. In next class I will take another normal form, that is Grayback normal form. So any doubt? कोई डाउट है? नहीं? Any doubt you have? So I will give some problem for practice. Just try it. ये हो गया लिखना. Have you completed? Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
So write down some problem for practice. Convert the following grammar into Chomsky normal form. I will give 4 or 5 problems. Convert, write down. S gives ABSB or A B. B gives B capital S A first. Second, S gives ASBA or A gives ABA और B. ये सेकंड हो गया. थर्ड देता हूँ. थर्ड प्रॉब्लम, S gives ABA, A gives AA or epsilon, B gives BB or epsilon. Fourth, AB AB A gives B capital AB or epsilon. B gives B capital A और A और epsilon. ये चार प्रॉब्लम आप प्रैक्टिस कर लो. यू कैन सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व कर लोगे. ठीक है. If you solve these four problem, you can solve any problem. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in next class. इसमें प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3 और 4 में इप्सिलॉन प्रोडक्शन रिमूव करना है. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 में एक यूनिट प्रोडक्शन है एसग्यूज है, उसको रिमूव करना है. ठीक है. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 में कोई यूनिट नहीं है, कोई यूजलेस नहीं है. So you can enter roll number and leave the meeting. Done writing? So I will stop presenting.